Assalamualaikum viewer. Today I'm show you how to commissioning the Greatork Multi-Turn Actuator. To do this action, first we need to set the password. All the passwords set to 0. So let's start our calibration. So calibration means our open and close limit position set. So let's check. Now we setting the close limit and open limit. So first I setting the manual setting, then I setting the open limit. Setting has been done. Close and open position setting has been done. Now let's check the one by one all setting for open in local and remote operation. So first we change the setting which required from this commissioning and enter this advanced manual and check the one by one setting. Please note down that from this contact we need to some setting would be changed. You can see in the contact function, this is the contact. Contact 1 all the function is okay, then we can return, then we select the contact 2, and all function is contact 2 okay, then we select the contact 3, and we need to change this function, contact function. We need to select this contact function to integrated error. This is the integrated error. Set it, contact from, set it to normally open. Return, and this is the important contact 4. Set this normally open, contact from set to normally open. and contact function set to remote due to remotely open close. So contact function set to remote for remote open close operation. So set it to remote state. So our all the setting already completed. Now let's check one by one remaining settings. And everything is okay by default. Only we should have to change this contact information for remote and local action of this actuator. Then set return and back to home menu from this. Now we check this open and close action from local and remotely. Thank you.